Best natural home remedies for whooping cough that I would like to reveal is chamomile. Regular consumption of herbal tea, such as chamomile tea, can also give you a good relief from the signs of whooping coughs. This herb has immune-boosting, anti-inflammatory, and soothing properties that can help in easing signs and promoting fast recovery. Add 1 or 2 tsps of dried chamomile flowers to 1 cup of hot water. Cover and steep within 5 minutes. Strain the solution and add honey and lemon juice according to your taste. Consume this tea 3 or 4 times per day for 2-3 days. Not only good for brain health, chamomile is also perfect for fighting against a whooping cough, so make use of it. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.